Encryption plays a vital role in protecting cloud data. It secures sensitive information, ensures privacy, and builds trust between users and cloud service providers. But for forensic investigators, encryption can also be a significant barrier, one that must be carefully understood and, when possible, overcome to access critical evidence. Let's start with how encryption works in the cloud. Most cloud services use two main forms. Encryption at rest protects data stored on the cloud provider's servers. Even if someone gains physical access to the servers, the data remains unreadable without the proper decryption keys. Encryption in transit protects data as it moves between the user's device and the cloud. This prevents attackers from intercepting information during upload or download. For investigators, encryption at rest is the bigger challenge, because the encrypted data sits on remote servers, often with keys controlled by the provider, not the user. Without legal access to those keys, even a valid court order may not guarantee that the data can be decrypted. So, how do forensic experts tackle this? First, it's critical to understand the encryption model used by the service. Some platforms, like Google Drive or Dropbox, manage the encryption keys themselves. If granted legal authority, investigators can request decrypted data directly from the provider. Other platforms, especially end-to-end encrypted services like eCloud with advanced data protection, Signal, or Proton Mail, never store the keys on their servers. In those cases, even the provider can't decrypt the data. Investigators must then look for other avenues. They might examine sync devices, where decrypted copies of the data may still exist, in apps, caches, or backups. They might also target user credentials, leveraging passwords, tokens, or even endpoint memory for potential access. Another key consideration is multi-platform syncing. Many users connect cloud accounts to smartphones, tablets, and computers. Decrypted data can often be recovered from these devices using forensic tools such as Magnet Axiom or Oxygen Forensic Detective. Legal strategy also matters. Investigators may serve warrants requiring suspects to surrender credentials, or they may invoke court orders under laws like the UK's RIPA or the US All Writs Act to compel cooperation in decryption. But investigators must always tread carefully. Any attempt to bypass encryption must comply with privacy laws and legal standards to ensure that recovered evidence remains admissible in court. In short, encryption is both a protector of data and an obstacle for investigations. To succeed, forensic experts need a deep understanding of encryption technologies, legal procedures, and forensic tools. With the right approach, even encrypted cloud environments can yield valuable evidence.